Stop buying a new car battery every 3 years. If you own a pre-owned vehicle, your battery is literally bleeding life every single night while you sleep. A weak battery isn't just a nuisance, it's a silent killer that fries your alternator and burns out your starter motor before leaving you stranded at midnight. Do these 15 things and your battery will last a full decade. But pay close attention to the last tip. Most drivers do one innocent thing every morning that secretly destroys your battery's chemistry before they even leave the driveway. Let's go. Secret number 15. Inspect and secure the battery mount. A loose battery is a dying battery. Inside that plastic case are delicate lead plates suspended in acid. When your battery vibrates, it's like a jackhammer hitting those plates. Over time, that silent damage grinds them down until they crack, short circuit, and fail. I've seen brand new, expensive batteries die in under 6 months just because they were rattling under the hood. To save your money, pop the hood and give the battery a firm handshake with both hands. If it shifts even a millimeter, you have a ticking time bomb. A battery must sit perfectly level and bone still. Use a socket wrench to snug down the hold-down clamp. Just don't over-tighten it or you'll crack the outer casing. If your tray is rusty or bent, fix it now. A crooked tray twists the battery case, putting physical stress on the cells that kills them from the inside out. Secret number 14. Use a smart trickle charger/maintainer. Your car is a vampire. Even when the engine is off, the alarm, the clock, and the computer memory are slowly sipping power. This parasitic draw causes the voltage to drop, leading to sulfation, a nasty crystalline buildup on the plates that permanently kills your battery's capacity. If your car sits for more than a few days at a time, you need a smart maintainer. Do not use an old-school dumb charger. Those will cook the battery's internals. A smart unit senses the exact voltage and only provides a float charge. It's the closest thing to a fountain of youth for your car. Secret number 13. Replace corroded terminals and use dielectric grease. That green and white crust on your terminals isn't just an eyesore, it's an electrical blockade. It raises resistance, chokes off current, and forces your alternator to work overtime. Most dead batteries are actually just victims of poor connections. Safety first. Disconnect the negative cable first, then the positive. Use a wire brush to scrub those posts until they shine like polished silver. Before reconnecting, apply a thin layer of dielectric grease. This seals out oxygen and moisture, ensuring that crust never comes back. Remember, bad power flow is the fastest way to kill a starter motor. Secret number 12. Install a battery heat shield or insulator. Everyone blames the winter for dead batteries, but the truth is that summer kills them. Winter just finishes the job. High underhood temperatures literally boil away the electrolyte and warp the internal plates. If your car is missing its factory heat sleeve, you are cooking your battery alive. You can buy an aftermarket radiant heat shield made of aluminized material that can lower battery temps by up to 20 degrees. That temperature drop alone can add 3 years of life to a used car battery. Secret number 11. Avoid short trips. Allow full recharge. Your alternator is not a high-speed charger. It's a maintainer. Every time you start your car, the starter motor draws a massive gulp of power. A 5-minute drive to the store isn't long enough to put that energy back in. If you only do short trips, your battery lives in a constant state of semi-starvation, which leads to rapid sulfation. At least once a week, take your car for a 20 to 30-minute highway run. This gives the alternator the RPMs and time it needs to bring the battery back to 100% saturation. Quick question for the community. Have you ever been stranded by a battery that was less than 2 years old? Tell me the brand in the comments. Let's see which ones are actually holding up in the real world. If this is helping you save money, hit that like button. Secret number 10. Eliminate parasitic drains and aftermarket vampire draws. I once had a client who went through 3 batteries in a single year. The culprit, a $5 no-name USB charger left in the cigarette lighter. These vampire loads suck power 24/7. To check for this, use a multimeter set to amps. Anything over 50 milliamps when the car is sleeping is a red flag. If you see a high draw, start pulling fuses one by one until the number drops. That's your thief. Fix the circuit, save the battery. Secret number 9. Test battery health annually. A battery can start your car perfectly fine today and be at 10% health. You won't know it's failing until the first cold morning of the year. Don't just check voltage, you need a load test. Most auto parts stores do this for free. A healthy resting battery should be at 12.6 volts. If you're seeing 12.2 volts, you're already at a 50% charge state. Testing annually allows you to catch a failing cell before it takes your alternator down with it. Secret number 8. Maintain proper alternator and voltage regulator. If your alternator is pushing over 15 volts, it is literally boiling the acid out of your battery. If it's under 13.5 volts, it's starving it. Check your charging voltage with the engine running and the headlights on. If the numbers are outside the 13.8 to 14.6 volt range, your alternator is the serial killer murdering your batteries. Never ignore a flickering battery light on the dash. It's a cry for help from your charging system. Secret number 7. Keep the battery top clean and dry. Did you know electricity can creep across a dirty battery? Grime, moisture, and oil on top of the case create a conductive path between the terminals. This creates a micro short that drains your battery while you sleep. Mix baking soda and warm water, scrub the plastic case, avoiding the vents, and dry it thoroughly. A clean battery case is a non-conductive battery case. It's a 5-minute job that prevents overnight power loss. Secret number 6. Choose the right battery chemistry for longevity. Stop buying the cheapest battery on the bottom shelf. If your car has stop-start technology or heavy electronics, you must use an AGM or absorbent glass mat battery. AGMs are spill-proof, highly vibration-resistant, and can handle being drained much better than standard flooded batteries. They cost more upfront, but they last significantly longer in modern high-tech vehicles. Secret number 5. Limit deep discharges and low charge. Your car battery is not like your phone. It hates being drained to zero. Every time you let your battery go flat, you are causing permanent chemical damage to the lead plates. If you accidentally leave your lights on, don't just jump start it and drive. The massive hit of current from the alternator to a stone-dead battery can warp the plates. Instead, put it on a low and slow smart charger to recover it properly. Secret number 4. Water-flooded batteries with distilled water. If you have a battery with removable caps, you need to check the fluid levels every 6 months. As the battery cycles, water evaporates. If the lead plates are exposed to air, they sulfate and die instantly. Only use distilled water. Tap water contains minerals like iron and magnesium that will poison the chemical reaction inside. Fill it just to the bottom of the plastic fill rings. Never overfill. Secret number 3. Stop unnecessary electronics when engine off. Your battery is a sprinter, not a marathon runner. It's designed for one big burst of power to start the engine. Using your car as a living room, blasting the radio, or charging laptops with the engine off deep cycles the battery. This wears out the active material on the plates. If the engine isn't spinning, keep the electronics off. Secret number 2. Use smart charger after deep discharge. If life happens and your battery dies, don't rush the recovery. A dead battery develops hard sulfate crystals. A smart charger with a recon or desulfation mode uses high-frequency pulses to break those crystals down. This is the only way to truly resurrect a battery and get another few years out of it. Secret number 1. Keep battery cool and replace proactively. The ultimate secret to a 10-year battery is thermal management and timing. Keep that heat shield on, park in the shade, and never let the engine bay become an oven. However, don't wait for the click-click dead moment. If your battery is 6 or 7 years old, it owes you nothing. Replace it on your terms, at your price, before it decides to fail at the worst possible moment. But wait, you can do everything on this list and still destroy your battery in seconds. Most drivers do one specific thing every morning that ruins their battery's health. Watch this next video right here to see exactly what that is and how to stop it.